in the topic as TransitOps. It's a transportation management system. So first of all, we can select a role as I have already signed up, but select a role and then I'm using my email ID to which I have used for sign up also, and then here's the sign up. So moving ahead, this is the dashboard where you can see active vehicles, available vehicles in maintenance, and etc. This dashboard is about vehicles and the overall analysis. Then we move to fleet.
Just a second. Yeah, so it took a bit of time to fetch. So yeah, this
मैंने reload किया था.
ठीक है, ठीक है.
Yeah.
So this is a fleet section where the fleet manager gets to add a vehicle. So we'll show you by adding a vehicle. Uh, so the inputs we take is the registration number, the name of the vehicle, the capacity, the odometer, the acquisition cost, and the region. And you can also edit the status, keep it available. Yeah. Yeah. So as you can see, a new vehicle has been created with all the details we provided. Now we can also edit and delete the vehicle. Let's move to the drivers section where there are the list of the drivers are already there in the database. So we'll add a driver. Again, we can change the status of the driver. And here again, we can edit and delete. So we'll now move to trip section to create a trip for a delivery. So we'll add a source and a destination. Then we'll add the cargo weight. And then using our recommendation engine, it will show us the best vehicle and the driver pair that are recommended for our cargo weight. So we'll select one like the first or fifth, whichever. Yeah, and then we will put a planned distance. Yeah. Then we'll so where is it? Yeah, as you can see, a new trip has been created and it is showed as dispatched. And the drivers will also like the driver is Alex. So in the driver tab, you can see that Alex is on a trip now. So the status has been changed from available to on trip. And in the fleet tab, the car, which was the Omni car on trip has been also status has been also changed to on trip. Another feature is we have a AI copilot, which Preeti will continue.
So the AI Copilot basically is a small recommendation system. So let me write a prompt which I give as send 500 kgs from Solapur to Mumbai and 200 kilometers. So as you can see, if I write the prompt, I will get the recommended vehicle with the driver and the score which I would you, like I may know the credit score of this. Also, how it works is it takes the distance, that is 200 kgs, the before and afterward of 2, so that's Solapur to Mumbai, and 500 kgs as the weight, and then it recommends a car and the driver. Then let's move to maintenance. So under maintenance you can see, so as a vehicle ends it trips, it goes under maintenance. So it shows if it's in shop or it's completed the maintenance, the estimated cost and the close date and the service date, etc. Let's go to fuel and expense. So here you might see what was the trip number, the vehicle, the driver, and the fuel station it has used to fill the fuel, fuel date, liters and cost. So this gives the estimation of how much fuel and expense it has created. Then we go to analytics, and in under analytics we can see that the fleet cost is the actual cost, the overall cost, which is uh, the expense we have provided for all the features like drivers, trips, fuels, etc. The cost per liter and the aggregated distance we have covered, and so on. You can also export the audit sheets, and then settings you can basically change the fleet manager's name and all, and the password. Yeah, and we have also implemented dark mode. Yeah, that's it.
The tech stack we used was Next.js, Tailwind, Supabase, uh, and yeah, that was it.
Yeah, thank you.